Cupping. Holding something in a round hand shape. She was cupping water in her hands. He cupped his face while thinking. Clogged. Blocked so air or water can't pass. The sink is clogged with hair. My nose feels clogged today. Scalded. Burned by hot water or steam. I scalded my tongue with hot tea. Be careful, the water can scald you. Parched. Very thirsty or very dry. I am parched after walking. The land is parched in summer. Scuffed. Marked or damaged on the surface by rubbing. My shoes are scuffed because I walk a lot. The table looks old and scuffed now. Tattered. Old, torn, and in bad condition. She was wearing a tattered shirt. The book pages are tattered. Worn out. Too tired or too old to work well. I am worn out after work. These shoes are worn out now. Frayed. Coming apart at the edges. The rope is frayed and unsafe. My jeans are frayed at the bottom. Stubbed. Hurt by hitting a toe or finger. I stubbed my toe on the bed. He stubbed his finger on the door. Stroking. Touching gently again and again. She was stroking the cat. He kept stroking his beard. Caressing. Touching softly with love. The mother was caressing her baby. He caressed her hand gently. Nuzzling. Rubbing your face or nose gently. She nuzzling her cute cat. The baby kept nuzzling her mother. Torpid. Very slow and lazy, no energy. I feel torpid on hot days. The animal looked torpid in the sun. Otiose. Useless or not needed. That rule feels Otiose now. His advice was Otiose. Grimy. Very dirty and sticky. His hands were grimy after work. The window looks grimy. Battered. Badly damaged by use or hits. He carried a battered bag. The car looks battered. Soothed. Made calm or less painful. Music soothed my mind. The medicine soothed the pain. Weary. Very tired, both body and mind. I feel weary after long travel. She looked weary but happy. Tender. Soft, gentle, or caring. He has a tender heart. The meat is tender now. Idle. Not doing anything. I feel idle on weekends. The machine stayed idle all day. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.